Go! Go! Today is July 27th. We're out here Freedom MX. July 27th, we're out here practicing at Freedom MX. And this is Keenan and Aura practicing together. This is the Pee-wee track. Keenan coming up a little bit short, trying to block. Keenan, you need to pick up the pace a little bit. Your bike is much faster than that. Oh, you went to the outside. You took the long way through the turn. No, you got to turn that power on. You need to turn that on. Keenan going to the outside. Keenan having trouble. Keenan not confident. He's not confident. His riding skills, he's not too confident on his Cobra today. Or waiting up for him. See what's taking him so long. Or waiting up for him. Or covered the inside. Didn't give Keenan an opportunity to block. Keenan not too confident, not confident, or she's waiting on you. You followed her. You went to the outside right behind her. You didn't have an opportunity to block. You followed her. This race is over with. It's over with. We'll try it again later. We'll try it again later.